FDA, Food and Drug Administration, to benefit the people over the corporations. The people's rights and the FDA, protecting the people's food and medicine by design. This page changed with the August 20, 2025 edit. FDA, Food and Drug Administration, established June 30, 1906. The following paragraph is from the mission statement from FDA.gov. The FDA is responsible for advancing the public health by helping to speed innovations that make medical products more effective, safer, and more affordable, and by helping the public get the accurate, science-based information they need to use medical products and foods to maintain and improve their health. From traditional medicinals, registered trademark, packaging. On the front side of the box, the tea bags, it states, organic, peppermint, refreshing and minty, soothes the belly, asterisk. On the side panel, this corresponding message for that asterisk. Asterisk. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. According to FDA.gov, therapies for many types of diseases and conditions. In 2023, the FDA approved 55 drugs. Some of them, such as Orserdu, were submitted to the FDA on about June 2022 in order to get an expedited FDA approval in 2023. Since there have been relatively few new herbs added to the kitchens and first aid since 1906, when the FDA was founded, a person must wonder why so few of those herbs have been addressed by the FDA as medicines, in comparison to the pharmaceutical formulations, many of which use plant parts as their active ingredients. Seems that every pharmaceutical that has a plant component as an active ingredient, that plant has already received the FDA approval and testing. The side effects from the whole herb are generally non-existent. Time to give Mother Nature a fair shake and see if the pharmaceutical drug dealers can still make a killing. Up next, constitutional executive orders. Governments derive their just powers from the consent of the governed, 1776. The governed people, by design, are intended to work together as a unified body, controlling the government's powers, equally protecting each other's rights. End page content.